Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking whether the keyboard is floating or undocked on your iPad. If it is floating, place one finger on the keyboard and drag it down to the bottom. If the keyboard remains detached, pinch outward with two fingers to reattach it to full size. Open Settings and go to General then Keyboard to verify on-screen keyboard options. Check for an iPad OS update in Settings General Software Update and install iPad OS 15 or later when available. If keys look split, pinch the keyboard with two fingers to merge it back together. Alternatively, press and hold the keyboard icon in the lower right corner and choose Dock and Merge. If you cannot find the icon, swipe up from the bottom to reveal the dock and retry. Turn off any connected Bluetooth keyboard or keyboard case under Settings Bluetooth to force the on-screen keyboard to appear. Restart the app where typing is needed if the keyboard still does not show up. When basic fixes fail, force restart the iPad to clear transient glitches and memory issues. If problems persist, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPad and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary or Reset All Settings. Reset Keyboard Dictionary first to keep personal data intact, otherwise use Reset All Settings which preserves files but resets preferences. While troubleshooting, enable Assistive Touch and Accessibility or use the Quick Type bar to type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.